Bienvenidos! Welcome to you all to this new lesson. Let's review all the words we have learned in our previous lesson. Repaso, review. El gato, el perro, el pájaro, el elefante, el león, la tortuga. Sorry, it's tortuga. La tortuga. El tigre, el caballo, la vaca, el cerdo, la oveja, el oso, el pato, la mascota, el conejo, la serpiente. Bienvenidos, welcome to you all. In this lesson, we are going to review all the words and vocabulary we have learned in not all the, but in some of our previous videos. Pratika, practice. Now you have to translate all these 4 words into Spanish. If someone tell me what we call mother in Spanish, and husband, and grandmother, and cousins, you have to translate these 4 English words into Spanish. Take your time or pause the video if you want. Now, in Spanish, I have already told you, practice and review as much as you can. Mother, la madre. Husband, el esposo. Grandmother, la abuela. Cousins, los primos. Now translate all these 4 words again in Spanish. Take your time or pause the video if you want. Now, el hermano, la esposa, el nieto, la hermana. Translate these 4 more words in Spanish. Pause the video if you need more time. Now, el tío, los hijos, los padres, los parientes, or los relativos. Now you have to translate these 4 body part names in English. I changed the pattern. Now you have to translate from Spanish to English. Hope you do it correctly. Los ojos, la cara, los dientes, las orejas. Now, in English, los ojos means eyes. La cara means face. Los dientes means teeth. Las orejas means ears. Now again you have to translate these words in English. Los brazos. La pierna. Los dedos. Las cejas. No. Los brazos. Arms. La pierna. Leg. Los dedos. Fingers. Las cejas. Eyebrows. Again, you have to translate all these four words in English. Hope you do not cheating. El pecho. La espalda. La cadera. Los manos. El pecho, chest. La espalda, back. La cadera, hip. Los manos, hands. Now you have to translate English to Spanish. And this is a third vocabulary I have teach you in our previous video. Chicken, fish, meat, pork. No. El pollo, el pescado, la carne, el cerdo. Now again, translate these four words in Spanish. Now, la cebolla, el tomate, la manzana, la comida. Now again, translate these four words in English. Sorry, in Spanish. Hope you are doing it correctly. Hope you are not cheating from previous lectures. No. El café, las frutas, el pan, la bebida. Now, this is animal vocabulary. Hope you do it correctly. Translate these four words in Spanish. Sorry, in English. El gato, el pato, la serpiente, el león. Oh. El gato means cat. El pato means that. La serpiente means snake. El león, lion. Now translate these more four words in English. La bata, el tigre, El pero. El trabajo. La bata means cow. El tigre, tiger. El pero, dog. El trabajo, horse. Felicidades, congratulations. In this lesson, you have practiced all the previous vocabulary I've told you and review it as much as you can. Felicidades.